This niche can make you up to $3,000 a month or even more if you take it seriously. So what is this niche? How can you create its interior with a free interior website that I'm going to show you at the end of this video? So the niche is homeschool planner, and as you can see, if you type that on Amazon search bar, you will get 3,000 results, maybe less or more. It depends on the time that you search. So 3,000 results is pretty good, but how stable is this niche? Is it like seasonal niche with some specific area that it's going a peak, or it's steady? As you can see, it's almost steady with a little peak. For example, last year in 2020, somewhere in July, August, so in the summer, in the beginning of the new academic year. So this time is really perfect for this niche, where you can create it, upload it, and get many sales with this niche. So I really advise you to have a look with this niche, and it's making many sales every single day. And if we go to the rankings and have a look how the demand is going on, so you can see this mad ranking 1,900. I know it's not a KDP published book, but still it shows you how people are going to buy these kind of books with just calendars and planners for the year and for homeschool. So this one as well with very high ranking, and this one, for example, 59. So we can find a couple of them with less than 300,000 ranking, which is great. So this one, for example, is 68,000. But this one, the crazy one, 1,900. If we go to the BSR to sales calculator, you can see that it's averaging 1,360 sales per month, and almost all the time this calculator is underestimating the real sales. So probably this is making 2,000 sales, which translated to $4,000 a month for this book only. So there is high potential demand for this kind of books. So what I'm saying, not that you will get 3,000 results from the first book in this niche. No, hell no. Probably not even near to that. But what I'm trying to say is that these people are paying this money, all this profit in this niche. So there is a demand, there is opportunities. Even if you get 300 a month, it's great, because I'm going to show you at the end of this video how to get its interior for free, completely for free. So it's great opportunity, and the business is not an overnight that, oh, today I'm making zero, tomorrow I will make $3,000 with one book with no experience. Of course, no. So you have two choices: whether you create from this general niche with 3,000 results, or you dig in to find a sub niche with a lower results, with a lower competition. However, if you go to the general one, you must choose one of the choices to get sales. One is to be unique, so don't copy or almost copy these popular cover designs like this one. So it's like you can see a theme that is common between them. Don't copy them to get sales, because these books are having reviews. If a customer get a choice between, for example, your book with no reviews and this book with 400 reviews, they will choose this one with the reviews. So there's no point of doing that. Or the second option is to have ads and pay money for the ads. And this is not for beginners, of course. So I really advise you to dig in and find sub niche. And how can you do that? A really simple way is to click on the search bar. These are from Amazon itself, and these columns, the red, yellow, the red, green, and the gray columns are from AMZ Suggestion Expander. It's a free tool. You can add it to your Chrome. So here are sub niches that are specifically targeted with this general niche. So you can have a look of all of these different opportunities and create your own book, of course. And if we look inside it to get an idea how this book is created, you can see that it started with a really table of contents, really good one, title, about us and contacts, and here tracker with, it's just like text, headings and tables. So you can create these for free on, even on Word on Microsoft. So you have the tool, or even on Canva for free. So you can create this on Canva. It's a text here. Here is a text, and here is a table, and you repeat that all over the book. So here is also a calendar. You can get it for free, as I'm going to show you after a minute. So yeah, it's really easy to create. Or if you have money and you don't want to waste 2 hours of your time, you can outsource it and get it from Creative Fabrica, for example, or Upwork. And here's another one with a really good design. And as you can see, student, name, age, school year. So very basic tables that you can create them easily with yourself with free tools. And here are something like calendars with overview tracking. And yeah, it's not that complicated to create, really easy, and there is high opportunities to make money from this book. And the free website that I'm going and I promised to show you is this website, BookBolt. Many of you know it and many of you don't. So BookBolt is a paid subscription, I guess. So if you go to resources, interior wizard, you can get free interior. You can choose any interior type here, so you can see that there are some of them for members only, but there is many for free. So this birthday, for example, here weekly planner, you can use this one for the homeschool planner with some adjustment, or even, for example, this one monthly to-do list, and you can have a look and get an idea for how these planners are made. So even these planners, project planners, can be used. So you choose the interior type, choose bleed with or with no bleed, depends on your book, and here you choose the interior. For example, on our interior, the 8.5 by 11 inches is the most common, and you choose, for example, 120 pages and click on download and you will get it for free. So this is a really easy way to get them for free, or you can create them on any free website. I will leave the link for this BookBolt page in the description down below. Have a look. And yeah, if you want to more fish, so this niche is a fish, one fish. If you want me to teach you how to fish, to get many fish by yourself, watch this video.